Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's opening bell. My name is John. I am the membership director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today. We are live from Bucharest, Romania, and broadcast this worldwide. Every attendee will be muted in this webcast, and for any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. Now I will read our disclaimer. As usual, if you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the meeting info tab. Futures, options, and forex are leveraged instruments and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for educational and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You as a viewer are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for educational and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. And now, knowing that, I am presenting you the Foundation Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian. Hi, Marian.
Hey, John. Hello, everyone. Let's start. First, we'll present the future file. Currently, we have just opened one open trade, the long position in cotton. Recently, we have opened a new trade in the forex file, Euro AUD, a short position, started yesterday. We still have two more open, USD CAD and USD CHF. On the watch list, we have 6 assets. On the future file, we have 10 assets on the watch list. So let's start presenting first the future file. First asset, cotton. I have entered in a long position on July 5, currently negative 0.37%. Cycle 2 and 3 are presenting a positive movement. We can see cycle 1 as well. It recently created a bottom. It's presenting right now a positive movement with the top around July 31. So let's add in here cycle 1 as well. We can see currently all the cycles are presenting a positive movement. The Pearson lines recently have drastically, 2 of them have drastically declined. All of them created a decline movement. So this is important. We might have a signal flip. The primary signal is still presenting a positive movement. Currently, the moving average is presenting a bottoming area, then a positive movement with an important spike around July 26th and second one around August 2nd. So currently, the paradigm signal is still presenting a positive movement. Okay, if we will change the signal to the secondary signal, it will present a bottoming around July 26th through August 2nd, then a longer term positive movement after that. So currently, I'm maintaining my long position in this asset. Let's continue with the watch list. First asset on the watch list is S&P 500. The Pearson lines, we have 4 of them primary and 1 secondary. The primary signal currently is presenting an important low point which have passed yesterday, okay, July 13. Then a positive movement with the high point, an important high point on August 4th, and second one on September 12th. So this is an important point, a pivot point. We need to see exactly what will happen these next couple of days. If the signal will change to a secondary signal, as the 10-day Pearson line is presenting, it will present a decline period. So today it will be crucial and maybe Monday too. Let's see what will happen. Currently NTR, no trade recorded. The next asset is T-bonds. As I have presumed, the signal have changed and flipped to the secondary signal. The Pearson lines have drastically declined. We have 3 negative territory, 2 are still positive. The secondary signal is presenting a positive movement. We are seeing an important spike around July 25 and second one around July basically 26, 25, 26. Okay, this is the topping area. Currently, the signal, the better signal is presenting a choppy area. I don't want to trade this type of environment. I'm just NTR today. I'm maintaining my no trade recorded. Next asset is gold. The Pearson lines, all of them are in primary territory. They are presenting high level. The primary signal had two important low points, one on July 10 and second on July 17, Monday. So basically right now the signal is presenting a bottoming area, then a longer term positive movement. So I'm interested in gold as in silver to enter in a long position. I have an important high point around August 10 and second one around September 11 on gold. I didn't enter yet in a long position, but I'm interested to enter. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Silver. All the lines are in primary territory with a high level. They are presenting the primary signal. Currently, the primary signal is presenting a bottoming area. We are seeing two important high points. One will be on August 23 and second one on Okay, can you guys hear me? Okay, sorry for that, we had a small issue. Okay, so in silver, currently is presenting a bottoming area. I'm interested to enter in a long position in silver. I didn't enter it. NTR today, no trade recorded. Let's continue with the next asset. Crude oil is the next on the watch list. Currently, crude oil is presenting a choppy area. We are seeing two important spikes, one on July 12, which have passed, and second on July 25, then a decline period after that. It's presenting a low point around August 14. So currently, I'm NTR in this asset. It's just presenting choppy. I want to stay away. Let's continue. Gasoline. We have seen an important high point on gasoline around July 12, and second one we are seeing around July 31. Currently, the signal, the moving average, is presenting like it's going upwards, but it's really choppy. It's not having a clear trend. We are seeing an important low point around August 7 and second one around August 25. One of these two bottoms I will be interested to enter in a long position. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Let's continue with the next asset. Let's start presenting the greens. First asset is corn. Recently, all the Pearson lines have declined under the zero line. If you guys have remember, I have presented this pivot point. It was around July 7, basically a topping area. I have been in a long position. I think started on June 29 and exit on July 5 before this spike. I was presenting this have the possibility of a fast decline as the signal is presenting. Okay, I hope you guys have taken advantage of it. Now it's presenting a decline period with a low point around July 19 through August 8. So it's presenting a choppy area and decline point until August 8. Okay, so be aware. Next asset is wheat, and as in corn, again I have presented this signal. It has present in this case a high point around June 26. Now it's presenting a decline period, a choppy again area through August 2nd. So let's just adjust the axis so you guys can see it better. We are seeing an important low point around July 19 and second on August 2nd. Again, it's looking really choppy. This will be, I would like to enter again in a long position, probably after this low point on August 2nd. Let's see how the signal will work at that point. Currently, NTR no trade recorded. Next asset, it's soybeans. The Pearson lines, we have 4 of them in primary territory. One is recently have touched the 0 line. Again, the primary signal has presented an important high point around July. In this case, it was 12 actually. It's presenting. I have been in a long position starting on June 30 and I have exit on July 12th, one day before. The signal was presenting a high point. Now it's presenting a low point around July 14, that's today. Then a choppy area through August 8th. So currently, I just wanted to present all this green signal, all this signal in the greens, corn, wheat, and soybeans, and they are presenting basically a choppy, really choppy area. Let's continue. Next asset is sugar. The Pearson lines, all of them have line on around the 0 line. Okay, this is the 0 line, the blue line. They are presenting a signal probably will change. The signal currently was in the secondary signal. Okay, now they have created, all of them created a bottom and have started going upwards. They are around the 0 line. This is basically an important point. I don't want to trade sugar because the signal can flip at any time. We are seeing an important icicle around July 19. Okay, I'm waiting to that day and see exactly how the signal will react. On the primary signal, the signal is presenting a positive movement through this date, then a decline period. It's looking like we might be on the primary signal. Again, we need to see exactly what will happen at that time. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, coffee. The signal in coffee, we have on the Pearson lines, 1, really close to the 0 line, and the rest of them are in negative territory. The secondary signal is presenting two important spikes, one on July 11 and second one on July 18, Tuesday. Then a choppy area through this high point. This is August 7. I would like to enter in a trade after that point. So from July 18 through August 7 is presenting a choppy area. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded.